Welcome to my study channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share to others. Hello student. Today we talk about Dayanand Saraswati. Yes, this is a part 2 of the Dayanand Saraswati. In first part we know that who was Dayanand Saraswati. So he was a social reformer, and at the age of 14 years he go to found a guru for the knowledge. This is a part 2. I can give you some little information about Dayanand Saraswati. First of all, students, please share this video to others group, because the study is that thing that you share to others that also help to you to increase your knowledge, and other can get the knowledge of the Dayanand Saraswati, because he is the greatest inspiration for us. The part 2 of the Dayanand Saraswati is begin. Okay. Part 2 of the Dayanand Saraswati is begin, but first of all, we revise something about Dayanand Saraswati. The Vijayanand Rishi heard the answer of the Dayanand and make him disciple and solve all the problem. He now go to social reforming, but it is not easy at all. Many difficulties come, but Dayanand face him well and do reforming all. Means Vijayanand Rishi is the guru of the Dayanand. Okay, you understood? Now he make a 2 years, 3 years maximum to improve his knowledge. Okay, then he go to reforming to others, but it is not easy, we all know. Some vast Pandit at ancient time, they tried to kill Saraswati, but he was a strong body. Many Pandit gave rupees to kill Saraswati. Now, some vast Pandit at ancient time, there are many vast Pandit at ancient time, so they give rupees to kill Saraswati. But Saraswati was a strong body. At times, Saraswati sat at river. Two killers were tried to kill, but he saw that killers are coming. So he fought well and pushed into the river. Okay. Now some Pandit give rupees to the killer to kill Saraswati. So at time Saraswati sat at the river and he saw that two killers tried to kill him. He fought well and pushed into the river. At time the Dayanand goes to the city of the Jodhpur. He visits there because the king of Jodhpur was only one to watch dance of the girls. The special dance girl name was Nanni Chan. The king was not care of the city and full day see the dance of the Nanni Chan. Now, the Dayanand Saraswati goes to the Jodhpur because the king of Jodhpur is careless. Okay, when Dayanand visited Jodhpur, he changed the mind of king. Now, when the Dayanand visited the Jodhpur, he changed the mind of the king. Yes, Dayanand had a power to change the mind of us also, but he died. Okay, so that he changed the mind of the king of Jodhpur. Nanni Chan income should be decreased. Now the Nanni Chan income should be decreased because the king should not see the dance of the Nanni Chan. So he goes to the kitchen and said to cook that in this milk you mix with poison. Now the Nanni Chan goes to the kitchen and say to cook that you mix milk into the poison. Okay, you understood this? Now come to the next. At that night, Dayanand was dry, but he tried to write most important things that help to the people at drinking milk. He goes to cook that you mix poison. At last cook accepted his foolishness, and Dayanand said to cook that take money and you go out of the Nepal, because when Vijayanand Rishi knows that you kill me, they can go die to you. Now Dayanand was very high-minded. Yes. The biography of Dayanand Saraswati part 2 is over.